Butters, we got food. Butters, we got food. Yum, yum. Butters. Look. Someone climbed up into bed with me. Hi. Keep going. I don't need your dirty butt on my pillow. Come on. Whoopsie. No, no dirty butts on pillows. No, it's gross. Yeah. Yes, mister. Okay, bye. Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? Just sat down. He's all like, hey. Hey, what? What? So I'm just reading apparently Pepsi and IHOP are teaming up to make a maple syrup flavored soda. Interesting. I'll try it, but I'll probably be meh. But of course, I'm not a Pepsi girl. I'm more of a Coke. Are you Pepsi or Coke? Butters! The Coke headquarters is in Atlanta, and we got to visit it many, many moons ago. And one of my favorite thing there, because it's a museum, it shows you all throughout the history and how processing and all that. And even they even had a the Coke bear there, which those things creep me out. But my favorite part of it was at the end was a room full of like the world of Coke, and you could try flavors from all around the world. There's a little kitty head. Just know guys with this haircut are the ones that are stealing your girl. Sorry, bros. Yes, mister. How can I help you, sir? Okay. There you go. Yes. What is wrong, huh? What is wrong? Butters. Butterbean. What? What? I'll throw your fur outside for the birds, okay? You gotta share. Sharing is caring. Wow, look at this marvelous hairdo I have going on for him right now. Focus! I've just been combing them backwards and going side to side. I know a lot of cats don't like you going against the grain, but he doesn't seem to mind. And it helps with getting some of the fur loose, too. So, yay. But look at that. Isn't that amazing? Wow. You're ahead of the trends right now, sir. Mr. Butterbean, what's going on, huh? What do you want to do? He's just walking around here. Keeps doing your gurgles. Yeah, you're doing the gurgles. Butters. And no, you're not gonna do it because I have the camera on. How rude. How rude. No. Someone showed up. He's in deep thought.